Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Local air conditioner from Tronic, 3-in-1, cools, dehumidifies and ventilates with 65 decibel sound, 785 watts power consumption, 3 years warranty, automatic oscillation function, horizontal, 24 hours timer, with room thermostat and 2 fan speeds. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. And there it is. And as we can see, it has wheels. You can move it around freely, no worries. It comes with a 2 meters of power cord, very convenient. And let's find out one by one what accessories we have in the box. Here is the hose connection for the air conditioner. That goes here. Press and it locks. It is the rear air outlet, the hose connection for the window, this narrow, and at this area you can connect the hot air outlet hose with a length about 2 meters. Spiral, very convenient. I like it. So you can connect that here, just screw it, and the other end here for permanently installation. And we have some other accessories. Here it is the Velcro tape, about 5 meters. And we have the window fabric with zip fastener. There's the zip fastener. It depends the type of installation you want to make, so you can use all these accessories. And of course we have the remote control with 2 3A batteries and the manuals. All that in the box. Perfect. So moving on at the unit, since we are at the back, let's talk about the back area. Here it is the storage for the cable. Use only the cable you need. And of course, if you don't use the unit, unplug and storage the cable here. The air filter. Just pull and remove the L filter. You can clean it, wash it, no worries. Here we have a sensor at the back. And of course it is very easy to install. Nice. The drain plug here. Silicone rubber. And another drain plug here at the bottom. And of course, at the bottom here, we have the 4 wheels. You can see how it looks. Wow, it is quite heavy. The handle, left and right. The front air outlet, the air vents, you can adjust up and down. Robust unit on a white color. And of course, here at the front we have the buttons. And here we can see the buttons: swing, timer, speed, up and down, the modes, sleep and power, cool, dry and fan. So with a power button we can turn it on. With a mode button we can choose cool, dry or only fan. Right now cool. And I can adjust from 16 to 31. 22, and the speed low or high. On high it is very noisy. Low. I can turn on the swing. I will show you the timer from 1, press and hold. It doesn't go faster, so I need to press all the time. Maximum 24 hours off timer. Sleep. Well, I think it is 5 to 10% quieter with the sleep mode on. I can't understand if that is correct or not. I think 5 to 10%. And on the dry mode, you can adjust anything, not even the speed. The swing you can adjust, the timer, not the sleep mode. At the fan mode, you can adjust the temperature, speed low or high, and the timer you can adjust, the swing, not the sleep mode. Cool. And of course you can power off. You can see the room temperature. On again. And of course the same adjustments I can do, and from the remote control we have 8 buttons. Up and down the temperature, the fan speed, sleep mode. I can change the modes. The timer I can activate. I think from the remote control it is the easiest way. Swing and off, of course. On again. You can adjust up and down, and inside here, if I will press the swing, there it is, it's moving left and right. Yep, you can see. And if you are interested for the power consumption, you can see 738 watts. So if I will switch it off, there it is. Power is dropping. On again. And there it is again, 717 watts. I can increase the fan. You will not see any differences here, only 10 watts. Low again. Let's choose on dry mode. Obviously the power consumption, it will drop 167, 64, or only fan. And we can increase the speed. Decrease the speed and cool again. After a few seconds it will start. And there it is again. Power consumption is up. And if you are interested for the noise, for the sound, I am 1 meter away. Low speed. And let's move on 3 meters away. So now you know. What I like most is the portability, the ease of setup and the flexibility to move it between rooms as needed. If you're renting an apartment or working from a home office that turns into absolute greenhouse during July and August, a portable unit like this is a total lifesaver. You don't need a landlord's permission or expensive technician to install it, you just roll it in, hook up the window kit and turn your room into an icebox. It's highly affordable, only 165 euros, packs serious cooling power for its size and completely eliminates those sweaty, sleepless summer nights. If this video helped you decide whether the Tronic air conditioner is the right cooling solution for your home or office, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more home appliance reviews, gadget tests and practical tech content. Thanks for watching, stay cool, stay comfortable and I'll see you in the next one.